Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen, to Jay's kitchen. Today I will be teaching you guys how to make Italian dish. This dish is called polpettone. It's actually called meatloaf in English. Right in this dough, I have my grounded meat, my grounded onions, grounded mushrooms, some spices, rosmarino, pepper, and salt, and also grounded prosciutto. Why I add this is because I want my dough to be soft. We don't want it to be hard. Now we're going to move to the next step, which is preparing what we need to add in the middle as a refill to this dough, to this polpettone. Some usually do use different kind of stuff, but I love veggies, so I would be using veggies. Right in my pan over here, as you saw earlier on, I only had oil and onions, and I added in my shako. I'm gonna let this cook for a little bit. Remember guys, don't let it cook too much because we would be cooking this in the oven again. Okay, so add in your spices, whatever spice you prefer, add it in. I just prefer pepper and some grounded veggies spices. That is what I use when I cook vegetables. So I'm gonna let this cook for just 1 minute. I added more because it was too little. I let it cook for 1 minute, and this is how the consistent look like. As you can see, there is no oil, is fat free, this recipe. So if you're trying it, please don't add too much oil. Okay, let it cook as to your preference. If you want it soft, you could do it soft. If you don't want it soft, you could do whatever you like. You guys, I'm just showing you how I make mine. We're gonna move to the next step, which is we are going to stand in our meat dough, our meatloaf, in a paper oven. Our oven paper is actually called carta a forno. You would be spreading this in a square dimension. You're going to see how I make mine. This is it. Now I will be adding some prosciutto, which is prosciutto they make here in Italy. If you're in Italy, you know what it is. I will be spreading I added two to it, and then I would be adding my veggies on top of it. After that, I already prepared my egg. As you guys saw previously, I was boiling my egg when I was cooking the vegetables. So spread this well, and make sure when you are spreading the meat, please don't spread it too much. And make sure you don't add too much stuff, because if not, it will not close, okay? That is what another tricky business of this. I add in some more cheese because I would be needing cheese in the middle of this. Actually, at the end of it, I don't think you're going to see the cheese, so you might add more. Actually, rolling this took me forever, you guys. I was so difficult trying to roll this because I wanted to roll it in a caramel. I wanted this to look like sweet, so I gave it a good massage because I want everything that I'm using to be in the middle. So you're going to try to roll this a few times. Make sure it comes like this, you guys. It has to be like this. And then we would be adding this in the oven like this. We are not going to take anything. We're not going to remove the paper. We're going to leave it like this because this paper is paper you could put in the oven and cook in it. So now you need your oven pan. Bring out your oven pan and put in your sweet. It actually looks like sweet, right guys? I know. So we're gonna put this in our oven. We're gonna cook this for about 20 minutes in 180-degree. And don't add in the part that you're going to add in up and down. Don't add it only down because you don't want the up to burn too much. And look at how perfect it looks like. I had to take out the paper because I wanted to see how it looked like before I show it to you guys. And wow, you guys, if you try this in your home, you are learning Italian dish, please leave in the comment section what you think about this recipe. I know a lot of us don't know how to make Italian dish, and that is where I come in to show you guys how to do it. Look at it, you guys. The cheese did not even show, but we have the veggies and the egg. Look how perfect this looks like. Don't forget to like, share, leave comments, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not part of the family. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.